got the John Deere all ready for the season here. Had to do a little work on it. Down there on the deck, that bracket back there, I had to get it welded back on by a buddy of mine. So here's a little footage of that whole little process. All right, so here it is right here, Billy. That little bracket right there. Cleaned it up a little bit the best I can. I'm gonna power wash it up for you this weekend, but there's a good little close-up of it. The worst of it can be pushed back down in there, as you can see. Push it back down. So hopefully we can tack that on there like that. Make this thing last a little bit longer. So there's the John Deere all put back together. Showing y'all some of the broken deck there before. So as you can see there, it's all been welded back together. Looks brand new. I even got the John Deere yellow paint, painted it all up. So got the deck back on the lawnmower, lubed everything all up, changed the oil. So it's ready to go for the season. I've already run it once and sucked up a bunch of leaves and debris and stuff in the yard from the winter, but yeah, it's ready to go. Always leave a little trickle charger on it. Try to save them batteries, make them last a little longer. But there it is. Got the John Deere LA100. Had that thing for about 15 years. Got it at Lowe's. It's been good. Just take care of it.